Hey everyone! Welcome back to Awesomer Kids! Today I'm hanging out with baby Chase because he's sick at home.
Yeah, Chase sicky.
As you can see, he has quite the cold. Let's see if you have a fever. Open up. Yep, you have a slight fever.
Chase hot.
We'll have to give you some medicine after your breakfast.
Achoo!
Wait right here and I'll go make you something to eat. I'm thinking waffles. These look perfectly cooked. Nice and golden. Chase is gonna love these. Let's add some butter and some strawberries. Breakfast is served. Here you go, Chase.
Yummy! Chase love waffles.
Do you want syrup?
Yeah, Chase want. That was so good.
Now that you've eaten, it's time to take your medicine.
No, Chase no want. Yuckies.
But you have to drink your medicine so that you can feel better. You can't hang out with the other pups while you're sick, or you could get them sick.
Fine. Chase, do it.
Good boy.
Yuck. That's gross.
Here, wash it down with some milk.
That's better. Now Chase tired.
Yeah, we better put you down for a nappy. Night-night.
Good night.
While Chase is sleeping, I'm gonna make him some homemade soup to help with that cold. First, I'll add some potatoes to the water. And some carrots. Can't forget about the celery. Some tomato. Onions. And noodles. Let's also add some salt and pepper. I'll give this a good mix so the flavors are all combined. Now let's just leave that to cook and we'll check back in a bit. Let's see how it's doing. It smells delicious. Let's give it a taste. That should be perfect. And just in time, because Chase should be waking up any minute now. Let's scoop him up a nice hot bowl of soup. This is gonna make him feel all better. Hi Chase, did you have a good nappy?
Yeah, but now Chase hungry again.
That's good, because I made you some soup.
Yummy water.
Here, have a tomato, some celery, a potato, a carrot, some noodles. Let's finish up the soup so you can take your medicine again.
Yummy. More waters. More tasty water.
You want to drink the soup?
Yeah. Yummy. Thank you.
You finished the entire bowl. Do you feel any better?
No, not really.
It's okay, you'll feel better after you take more medicine.
No more medicine.
Come on, Chase, you know you have to.
Fine, but I won't like it.
Here, wash it down with some water. Now let's take your temperature again to see if your fever's doing any better. It is! Your temperature is back to normal.
Yay! Now Chase can play, right?
Yep, and I got you some get well presents too. Check it out.
Really? Yay! Wow, so cool.
Do you want me to help you open them?
Yeah, please.
Let's start with this Whiskers Haven Palace Pets. Inside is a pop and stick mini surprise. It comes with a pet, an accessory, and a scene to put them on. We got Slipper. Slipper is Cinderella's delightful kitten. She loves to add her own brand of sparkle everywhere she goes. And her accessory is a pink ring. Let's build the scene. Check out all those jewels.
Wow, cute kitty. Chase like. Let's open more please.
The next toy is a Thomas and Friends Mashem. There are 6 characters we can get. Ooh, it's red. We got James the Mixed Traffic Engine. He sometimes can be vain and a bit boastful, but at the same time he always means well, and he's a hard worker. You can find him on the main line.
Choo-choo. Oh boy, everyone, some more toys.
Yeah, you have one more. This is a Hey Arnold collectible figure. This one's from Series 1, and there's also a bonus sticker inside. I love the box. It's shaped like a TV. Here's the bonus sticker. It's all the Stoop kids hanging out. Actually, it looks like they're getting scolded by Helga. Let's check out the figure we got. We got Arnold. He's the main character. He's calm, nice, kind, upbeat, and smart. He always sees the best in people, despite how unkind they are.
Cool. Move it, football head.
Here's all the toys you got, Chase.
Yay! Chase likes. Thank yous.
Well, I'm glad you're feeling better, and this was a lot of fun. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did, and please subscribe to watch more. Thanks!